White's objective here is to win this race to capture. It seems a little hopeless for white. Of course, white first move. This is the only option. If white plays here, then black can capture white at number 2 very easily. After number 1, black must connect here. And now what does white do? White only has 3 liberties left, and black has 4. This is a situation where beginners and many amateur players will just give up, thinking there's no way white can win, because white has only 3 liberties versus black's 4. But if you're more experienced, you should know that standing down here is a good way to extend liberties, and playing this bend can also reduce black's liberties by threatening to connect here on the first line. And in this case, both moves will work. If white plays this move, black cannot play on the outside, otherwise white will connect this way. And if black blocks this way, now black only has 3 liberties left after 3 and 4. And white also has 3 liberties left. And what white does is simply occupy black's liberties. And even if black captures, it can just still occupy its liberties on the outside, and white will win this way very easily. If black plays here, white attaris. Now black must connect, but now black only has 2 liberties left, and white can capture black this way. So that's why number 3 will work, no matter how black responds. Similarly, this will work as well in this situation. Now if black occupies white's liberty on the outside, white can play this bend move, and black must try to cut white off. But in the process of cutting white off, black only has 2 liberties left versus white's 2. And now white will be able to capture black again, like this. And if black plays on the inside like this or this will be a 4 liberties versus 4 liberties situation, and white plays first. This will be a 3 liberties versus 3 liberties situation, and white still plays first. So after number 3, white can also win this race to capture. So this is why you should do as many of these problems as possible as beginners and amateur players, because you'll need it. If you haven't thought about this problem and you see this situation in real games, you might just give up, thinking that white cannot win. But actually, these moves, bending on the first line and standing down here on the first line, are super useful moves that will definitely serve you well in real games. Hope you enjoy the pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.